Ever wondered what makes us really excited in this unique world? Yes, you guessed it right, theme parks. And what can we say when it is made by Ferrari and Disney? Let's delve us into these amazing theme parks. And which one is more unique? Let's find out. But a thorough reminder, each one has its unique beauty and its charm. Disney World, with its enchanting castles and beloved characters, is a celebration of fantasy and storytelling. It's a place where dreams come true and childhood memories are made. Ferrari World, on the other hand, is a shrine to speed, technology, and the allure of the iconic Ferrari brand. Located in Abu Dhabi, this park is a haven for thrill seekers and automotive enthusiasts. Instead of fairy tales, it offers the adrenaline rush of Formula One racing and the sleek elegance of Italian design. Ferrari World is a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of excellence. While Disney World enchants with its magical aura, Ferrari World captivates with its raw power and sophisticated style. One promises a journey into a world of fantasy, the other a thrilling ride into the heart of automotive passion. Both offer unforgettable experiences, each catering to different desires and passions. The choice depends on what kind of adventure you seek. Choosing between these two titans of the theme park world is like choosing between two delicious flavors of ice cream. Do you crave the comforting sweetness of vanilla or the intense rich flavor of chocolate? Both are delightful, but they satisfy different cravings. Similarly, both Disney World and Ferrari World offer amazing experiences, but they cater to different tastes and preferences. The choice ultimately depends on what kind of excitement you're looking for. Ferrari World is a haven for adrenaline junkies, while Disney World offers a magical blend of thrills and enchantment. Ferrari World's rides are not for the faint of heart, designed to push the limits of speed and G-force. They give riders a taste of what it's like to be a Formula One driver. Imagine yourself strapped into a Formula Rossa, the world's fastest roller coaster, launched from 0 to 240 km/h in a mere 4.9 seconds. The wind screams past your face as you hurtle along the track, feeling the G-force pressing you into your seat. It's a rush of pure adrenaline that leaves you breathless and exhilarated. But Ferrari World is not just about heart-stopping speed. It also offers rides that simulate the precision and control of Ferrari's racing cars. Take the Fiorano GT Challenge, where you race against your friends on a twisting, turning track, experiencing the thrill of competitive driving. Or try the Scuderia Challenge, a state-of-the-art racing simulator that puts you in the driver's seat of a Ferrari 488 GT3, allowing you to test your skills on some of the world's most challenging circuits. And for those who prefer a more immersive experience, there's the Flying Aces. This roller coaster mimics the movements of a biplane, taking you on a dizzying journey through loops, dives, and twists. You'll feel the wind in your hair as you soar through the air, experiencing the freedom and exhilaration of flight. Meanwhile, Disney World offers its own unique thrills. Space Mountain, for instance, takes you on a high-speed journey through the cosmos, combining speed with a sense of wonder. The Tower of Terror drops you into a thrilling freefall, blending horror with excitement. Expedition Everest challenges you with a high-speed chase through the Himalayas, complete with a Yeti encounter. Whether you're a seasoned thrill-seeker or a first-timer looking for an adrenaline rush, both Ferrari World and Disney World offer rides that will push your limits and leave you wanting more. Each park provides a unique experience, with Ferrari World focusing on speed and precision, and Disney World blending thrills with storytelling and magic.
Ferrari World is not just about speed and thrills. It's also about savoring the finer things in life. Like a true Italian experience, the park offers a delectable array of dining options that will tantalize your taste buds. From casual cafes to upscale restaurants, there's something to satisfy every palate. Imagine yourself stepping into Mama Rossella, a charming trattoria where you can enjoy authentic Italian dishes made with fresh, high-quality ingredients. The aroma of freshly baked pizzas fills the air, while the friendly staff welcomes you with warm smiles. For a more refined dining experience, head over to Il Podio, a sophisticated restaurant that overlooks the park's iconic red roof. Here you can indulge in gourmet Italian cuisine paired with fine wines. Picture yourself savoring a plate of delicate pasta, expertly prepared with rich sauces and fresh seafood. Each bite is a symphony of flavors, transporting you to the heart of Italy. And for a quick bite between rides, there are plenty of cafes and kiosks scattered throughout the park. Grab a slice of pizza, a scoop of gelato, or a refreshing espresso. You can even enjoy a traditional Italian aperitivo, consisting of small snacks and drinks, perfect for a relaxing break. Whether you're looking for a hearty meal or a light snack, Ferrari World offers a taste of Italy that will satisfy your cravings and leave you wanting more. Now let's compare this to the culinary journey at Disney World. Disney World offers a diverse range of dining experiences, from Epcot's World Showcase, where you can sample international cuisine from around the globe, to themed restaurants that immerse you in the magic of Disney. For those seeking fine dining, Disney World boasts several upscale options, such as Victoria and Albert's, known for its exquisite multi-course meals. And let's not forget the unique character dining experiences, where beloved Disney characters join you for a meal, adding a touch of enchantment. While Disney World offers a variety of flavors and atmospheres, Ferrari World stands out with its focus on authentic Italian cuisine, providing a culinary journey that transports you straight to Italy. Both parks offer unique and unforgettable dining experiences, but Ferrari World's dedication to Italian flavors makes it a standout for those seeking a true taste of Italy. While Ferrari World is renowned for its adrenaline-pumping rides, it also caters to families with young children, much like Disney World. The park features a dedicated family zone filled with attractions designed for younger guests. Imagine your little one's eyes lighting up as they enter this colorful and playful area, reminiscent of Disney's Fantasyland. They can hop aboard the Tire Twist, a whimsical teacup ride that spins and twirls, bringing out giggles and squeals of delight, similar to the Mad Tea Party at Disney World. Or they can embark on an exciting adventure on the Bella Italia, a miniature Ferrari ride that takes them on a journey through a miniaturized Italy, passing by famous landmarks and scenic landscapes, akin to Disney's It's a Small World. For a more hands-on experience, children can participate in the Junior Grand Prix, an interactive driving school where they can learn the basics of driving and even get behind the wheel of a miniature Ferrari, offering a unique twist compared to Disney's Tomorrowland Speedway. They'll receive expert instruction from friendly staff who will guide them through the course, teaching them about road safety and driving skills. And of course, no visit to Ferrari World is complete without a souvenir photo opportunity, just like meeting Mickey and friends at Disney World. The Family Zone offers numerous photo booths where families can capture their memories with beloved Ferrari characters and backdrops. Ferrari World understands that family fun goes beyond rides and attractions, much like Disney World. The park provides ample seating areas, shaded spots, and baby-changing facilities, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable experience for families with young children. Whether it's a thrilling ride on Tire Twist or a leisurely stroll through the Family Zone, Ferrari World offers a variety of activities that will keep the whole family entertained and create lasting memories, just as Disney World does with its diverse attractions.
Ferrari World is more than just a theme park. It's a celebration of the Ferrari brand and its rich history. Step into the Ferrari Museum, where you can immerse yourself in the world of this iconic Italian automaker. Admire a stunning collection of classic and contemporary Ferraris, each a masterpiece of engineering and design. From the legendary F40 to the latest hybrid supercars, you'll witness the evolution of Ferrari throughout the decades. Learn about the life and legacy of Enzo Ferrari, the founder of this iconic brand. Discover the secrets behind Ferrari's success in Formula One racing, exploring their numerous championships and legendary drivers. The museum offers interactive exhibits, historical artifacts, and engaging videos that bring the Ferrari story to life. Similarly, Disney World offers an immersive experience into the world of animation and storytelling. At Ferrari World, for those who want to experience the thrill of driving a Ferrari, the park offers a unique driving experience. Get behind the wheel of a Ferrari California and feel the power of its engine as you navigate a specially designed track. Professional instructors will guide you, ensuring a safe and exhilarating experience. At Disney World, visitors can step into the magical realms of their favorite stories, from the enchanting castles to thrilling rides inspired by beloved characters. Whether you're a die-hard Ferrari enthusiast or simply curious about this iconic brand, Ferrari World offers a captivating journey into the heart of Italian automotive excellence. Similarly, Disney World provides a deep dive into the cultural and historical significance of animation and storytelling, making both destinations a must-visit for those seeking rich, immersive experiences.
A visit to Ferrari World is an investment in an unforgettable experience. Ticket prices vary depending on the type of access you choose. General admission tickets grant access to most rides and attractions, while premium tickets offer additional perks, such as skip-the-line access to popular rides and exclusive experiences. Similarly, Disney World offers various ticket options, including single-day tickets, park hopper passes, and annual passes, each with its own set of benefits. It's advisable to check the Ferrari World website for the latest ticket prices and packages, as they may vary depending on the season and special promotions. Disney World also has fluctuating prices based on the time of year, with peak seasons and holidays often seeing higher rates. Both parks recommend planning ahead to get the best deals and availability. Purchasing tickets online in advance is recommended for both Ferrari World and Disney World to secure your entry and avoid long queues at the ticket counters. Arriving early in the day is a good strategy for both parks to maximize your time and experience as many rides and attractions as possible. Comfortable shoes are a must for both Ferrari World and Disney World, as you'll be doing a lot of walking throughout the parks. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially in the warm climates of Abu Dhabi and Florida. Carry a reusable water bottle and refill it at the water fountains located throughout the parks. Ferrari World offers a variety of dining options, but it's also possible to bring your own snacks and drinks. However, outside food and beverages are not permitted inside the Ferrari Museum. Disney World has a wide range of dining options as well, but they also allow guests to bring their own snacks and drinks into the park. By planning your visit carefully to either Ferrari World or Disney World, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience, allowing you to focus on the thrills and excitement that each park has to offer.
Ferrari World is a must-visit destination for thrill-seekers, families, and anyone who appreciates the allure of the Ferrari brand. Much like Disney World, it offers a unique blend of excitement and wonder. It's a place where imagination meets reality, where you can experience the speed, power, and elegance that define Ferrari. Disney World, on the other hand, is renowned for its magical experiences and beloved characters. Whether you're a seasoned adrenaline junkie or a curious first-timer, Ferrari World has something to offer everyone. Similarly, Disney World caters to both thrill-seekers and those looking for enchanting family-friendly attractions. Step into a world where gravity is defied, where Italian craftsmanship is celebrated, and where the spirit of racing comes alive. Disney World, in contrast, immerses you in fantastical worlds and timeless stories. Ride the Formula Rossa, the world's fastest roller coaster, and feel your heart pound as you're launched from 0 to 240 km/h in a matter of seconds. Disney World offers iconic rides like Space Mountain and the thrilling Expedition Everest. Explore the Ferrari Museum and immerse yourself in the history and legacy of this iconic brand. Disney World, with its rich history, offers attractions like the Hall of Presidents and the enchanting Cinderella Castle. Enjoy delicious Italian cuisine at the park's restaurants, savoring the flavors of Italy. Disney World also boasts a diverse culinary scene, from themed dining experiences to international cuisine at Epcot. And for families with young children, the Family Zone provides a safe and entertaining space for little ones to enjoy age-appropriate rides and attractions. Disney World is famous for its family-friendly atmosphere and attractions like It's a Small World and Dumbo the Flying Elephant. Ferrari World is not just a theme park, it's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. Disney World too creates lasting memories with its magical parades, fireworks, and character meet and greets. It's a testament to human ingenuity, the pursuit of excellence, and the thrill of pushing boundaries. Disney World embodies the spirit of imagination, creativity, and the joy of storytelling. So, whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic getaway, or a solo adventure, make sure to include Ferrari World on your itinerary. Disney World, with its wide appeal, is also a perfect choice for any type of trip. It's a destination that will ignite your senses, fuel your imagination, and leave you with unforgettable memories. Both Ferrari World and Disney World offer unique experiences that cater to a wide range of interests and ages.